Welcome to another video from Grace Biolabs. This video demonstrates the use of tubing connectors with HybriWells for loading reagents and for perfusion applications. Start by removing the liner from the adhesive. With the adhesive side of the chamber facing up, place a slide on top of it and press down. Turn the slide over and press around the edges to seal. Apply thin tubing connectors over each loading port, removing the paper lining first, then applying the tubing connector over the port with the adhesive side facing down. Standard tubing may be inserted into the tubing connectors. A syringe or syringe pump may be used to load reagents into the chamber. Reagents can also be removed or the chamber flushed with other reagents through the tubing. Thank you for your interest in Grace Biolab's HybriWell sealing system. For more information, visit our website.